Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to center product titles on Shopify product cards. First, access your Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, find your theme. Click the three-dot button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open your store's style script. All store appearance code is here. We'll scroll to the script's last line, so go all the way down. At the last blank line, press enter. Next, we'll visit the host2b.net website. The link's in the description with the code we'll use. Just access, copy the code, then paste it in Shopify on the blank line. After pasting, go to the top right and click the Save button. Once clicked, changes are saved successfully. Now, in our store, product titles are centered. You can center prices too, but that's in another tutorial. So now you've successfully completed the configuration. I hope this video helped.